Hello boys and girls. Today I'm going to do a quick video to talk to you about the discussion board you are going to be completing. So we are starting a new story. It's called Lola and Tiva, an Unlikely Friendship. So I'm going to show you the front page of the book. So here's what we have. We have our title, we have a little girl, and we have a rhinoceros. Okay? So looking at just this information, it's Lola and Tiva, an unlikely friendship. What do we think this book might be about? What do we think might happen in this story? Okay, it looks to me like Lola and Tiva, the little girl, and the rhinoceros are going to become friends. How is that going to happen? What do you think the authors might want us to know? Okay, they shared this story with us a reason. What do you think they are wanting us to learn or understand from this story? And we're going to think about that before ever reading the story. So that's what your discussion board is going to be about. You can watch the video. You're going to learn a little bit more about rhinos. And then you're going to participate in the discussion before reading the story. So you'll see another video posted under the discussion where I'll actually be reading the story of Lola and Tiva. But before you listen to that, go onto your discussion board. You're going to go to New Post. And I want you to answer the question. What do you think the authors want us to learn from this book? This book is a narrative nonfiction. That means it's true. This is a story that really happened, but it's written in the form of a narrative, a story with a beginning, middle, and end. So it's a narrative nonfiction. It's a true story, basically. So what do you think the authors want us to learn by sharing this story with us? We're going to share our ideas here before we read. And then as we read, we are going to add more ideas and think about the ideas we wrote at first before we'd read the story. Okay, so I want you to participate in this discussion before you read the story. So make sure you fill out your subject line. You can just put Lola and Tiva, and then you're going to come down here and answer the question. What do you think the authors wanted us to learn from this story? This story about a little girl becoming friends with a rhinoceros. So add your ideas to the discussion board and then go on to listen to the first part of the story.